Okay. Okay, now that we have open the files and brackets, the first thing I want to talk about is divs. Okay, so you need to understand what is a div and how they can be used if we're going to work with folks. Okay, so the best way I can explain what a div is by the way of InDesign. So just go right into InDesign. And I got a document open already. And as we all know, we can go to the mid-taker frame tool, select that, go like this, go to the test tool, and inside of the mid-taker, you can type a word or sentence or paragraph, right? And what you can do also is that you can resize it in any way you want to, okay? And you also can move it around anywhere. So, and then we also have the ability to use the one-taker frame tool to import images. Okay, and this next with the text, you can you can resize the rectangle by going like this. You can make it into a square, and you also can move it around. Okay. So the reason why I'm talking about this kind of thing in InDesign is because divs work in the same way. So if you look at my document here of what we're going to be making, there are 4 different divs. This div to the left top, the top left, has an image inside of it. The div right next to it on the right hand side has type and color. And then the div to the left bottom has type, and one next to that to the right is another image. Okay, so so you can install images, text, and color into inside of this div. Okay, so I just want to quickly explain that to you before we get into the HTML and the CSS going forward. So on what I have done here is in my files, every file is a step in the whole process. So if you look at verb position on one HTML, you will see how we begin to make the following document. And then if we go to verb position 002, you can see how it would be, how we can develop into the final layout of this demo. So if you look at the very first file of the HTML, you will see that we have a div, and the div has an ID of a wrapper, and I'm going to explain a little bit of what that means. And then there's another div right here that is inside of and is between the wrapper here, the beginning of the tag and the end tag. Okay, so what is happening in this document is that the div ID top left div here is going to be placed inside of the div called the wrapper. And I will explain about the IDs and why, specifically why this one is called the wrapper.